Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You need root or sudo rights to change network state, so switch now. This prevents permission errors. Next, list interfaces with IP link or IP to identify the device you'll reset, because names differ across systems. Once you know the interface, stop Network Manager with sudo systemctl stop Network Manager. Service so it doesn't reconfigure while you work. This first step isolates control to you. Make sure to keep a terminal open in case you need to revert immediately. With Network Manager stopped, bring the interface down using sudo IP link, set dev name down to reset hardware state and clear transient routes. Then flush configured addresses with sudo IP flush dev name so no stale IPs remain. This step removes conflicting settings. Once flushed, bring the interface up with sudo IP link, set dev name up, and request a DHCP lease using sudo dh client name. These commands reinitialize the link layer, rebuild IP configuration, and often restore connectivity fast. Once the interface has a fresh lease, restart Network Manager with sudo systemctl start Network Manager. Service to resume normal management. Verify with IP an IP route, then ping 8 to confirm external access. This shows whether routing and DNS are functioning. If DHCP fails, assign a temporary static IP to regain access and inspect logs via sudo journoctl network manager b to find errors. If you still lack connectivity, recheck cables, drivers, or rfkill for wire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.